Hello my beautiful PU2 aspirants, your board exam is knocking your door and I guess you people are little bit worried or tensed. If you are not, then well, in case if you are in a panic stricken mode, then I am here to tell you some game changing strategy that will help you to boost up your marks in your chemistry examination. So yes, without further delay, let's get started. So first, at this moment you are having only 4 to 5 days effective days, because after that from 28th itself your Kannada exam will be started, right? So at this point of time, please do not start anything new. Whatever you have studied already, please keep boosting your knowledge, keep clarifying the concept from those particular things only. No new book, no new PDF, nothing important materials at this moment. And only focus on NCERT, PYQs, most importantly the model paper, all the 3 model paper. Make sure that I already made the videos on all the 3 model paper detailed solution. Make sure you are watching them, and whatever the notes you are making out of it, focus on them, because your notes are always the last minute weapon that you can utilize. Okay, and one more thing, all the most important PYQs, important question, I made one long video that containing all physical, inorganic and organic chemistry, all the important question PYQs. Make sure that you are watching that. It's uploaded in Deeksha Karnataka channel. So later on, definitely individual physical chemistry, individual inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry videos are also coming. Their numerical problems, I have solved a lot of numerical problems, and I can assure you that from those numericals only you will get the common one. Okay, so make sure you are watching the videos. Okay, so here comes the most important chapters that you must go through. So here you can see altogether I am having 10 chapters, but here I am having the 7 chapters that can give you maximum 63 marks. So make sure, if you are doing electrochemistry solution, chemical kinetics, aldehyde ketone, coordination compound, haloalkanes and biomolecules, if you are going through these 7 chapters only, then all the question you are able to do. Otherwise there will be no benefits, because you are already missing 3 chapters here. Okay, so as you can see, marks distribution, if I tell you, for electrochemistry it will contain 13 marks, 1 marker you will get, 1 3 marker, 3 marker 4 you can get. Okay, so make sure that you are getting the full marks if you are doing only this 7. Okay, next, first, whatever your time period, just separate them. Okay, divide them in 3 blocks. First physical, next organic, then inorganic. Why physical first? Because physical chemistry will give you the maximum marks. It's a maximum scoring subject. Okay, so whenever it comes to the matter of physical chemistry, because I told you it's a maximum scoring zone, electrochemistry, solution and chemical kinetics, these will give you the maximum marks. Okay, so what to revise? Definitely all the formulas you have to revise, and whenever you are doing the numerical, with unit you have to do. Sometimes match the following. In electrochemistry, units may come. Graph from the chemical kinetics you have to proceed, and few graph from the electrochemistry as well. Nernst equation, 0 and first order reaction derivation you have to proceed. Arrhenius equation you have to proceed along with the graph. Always remember, numericals will give you direct 3 marks. Always remember, the formula will carry 1 mark, proper substitution will carry another 1 mark, and right answer with the unit will give you 1 mark. Okay, so make sure your formulas are right and your substitution is right. That will secure 2 marks there. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed. For organic, this is the reaction master zone. You can proceed with the haloalkanes, very easy chapter. Alcohol, phenols, aldehydes, amines, small chapter but very easy. And finally biomolecules. Here you have to focus mainly on the conversion, name reaction majorly, the reagent name, And the distinction type of question. Distinction type of question means, let's say if you are having aldehyde and ketone, okay, which reagent can separate them? Okay, so and let's say if you are having Fellings and Tollens reagent related question, okay, iodoform, haloform related question, okay, for those case, please be careful what reagent they are giving and on which reactant it is working. Okay, always remember, in organic chemistry, mechanism plays a very crucial role that will give you direct mark, like SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction, dehydration mechanism. So these things are very crucial. So make sure you are going through the mechanism and you are doing it stepwise, okay, because each step will carry one mark. Okay, so mechanism will definitely be prioritized than normal theoretical reading. Okay, so next comes the inorganic. Inorganic is a basically memory zone. Okay, first you can proceed with the D and F block element, it's comparatively easier, and then coordination compound. What to remind? You have to analyze the trends in D and F block element, how the boiling point, melting point, oxidation number, everything, atomization, enthalpy, everything, how they are changing. Okay, group wise, periodize, everything. Exceptional case you have to go through. Then why zinc and mercury, they are not transition element, this type of questions. Colors, why this particular compound will give you color. Okay, next, magnetic properties. Magnetic properties, as you know, it comes out of the presence of unpaired electrons. So in that particular regard, you have to remember the electronic configuration. IUPAC nomenclature is very important for the inorganic coordination chemistry. Okay, please make sure whenever you are writing the IUPAC name, then metal oxidation state you are mentioning correctly. Okay, and one most important question that I could not stop myself from putting here, so that is the preparation of permanganate and dichromate. Make sure you are going through this thing, because one short question can come out of it. Okay, and definitely before exam, please check the oxidation state once, that will help you. Okay, next, mark booster that I can tell, most scoring area, that is a numerical, because it always gives you the direct full mark if you have done it properly. And you can use a log table, you can use a calculator, so why not, right? So solution and kinetic numericals are very easy, super easy, and you can get full marks out of it. Derivation like zero order reaction, first order reaction, this will give you the complete 3 mark. Okay, organic name reaction like Etard reaction, Stephens reaction, Cole's synthesis, Raymer-Tiemann reaction, this will give you direct mark. Okay, because they don't ask the question like with a tricky way, in a tricky way. They will ask direct question. Hoffman bromamide degradation, Gabriel thalamide synthesis, directly asked, right? So remember them. Kinetics, graphs are very important. First order different type of graph, zero order different type of graph, those are very important. Difference questions, difference between order and molecularity, SN1, SN2 difference, then let's say this type of thing actually, maximum boiling azeotrope, minimum boiling azeotrope, ideal solution, non-ideal solution, these will give you direct marks. Okay, so definitely make sure, okay, this is one mistake, definitely it's going to be 60 plus. Okay. Okay, so these questions will decide that if you are going to get 60 plus marks or not. Okay, definitely it's not 90, just a small typing mistake, my dear. Okay, let's proceed. Some common mistake that you must avoid, that is no units in the numerical. Okay, so my dear, if you have done everything correctly, but you are not mentioning the proper unit, 1 mark will be deducted. So please, if you are having this in your own hand, make sure you are getting it. Okay, next, wrong oxidation state in the coordination naming. Okay, you are writing the original thing, full IUPAC nomenclature properly, but the oxidation state of the metal you are mentioning wrong. Don't do it. Not balancing the equation. Whenever you are just writing, let's say, preparation of permanganate or dichromate, then you are not writing the balanced equation. don't do it. It will deduct your marks. Next, writing vague organic answer. Don't do it, my dear. Whatever you know, that you write only. You don't have to be a poet over there while explaining the organic answers. Please focus on the mechanism based question. Okay, write the mechanism stepwise, write to the point answer. Okay, and always remember your presentation, like part wise, the way you are presenting in between two parts, you are making enough gap, you are keeping enough gap. Okay, everything, your representation of your copy, it will create a good impression in your examination, in your examiner's mind. Okay, next, exam hall strategy. Please remember all the MCQs you are writing at one go. Okay, don't write one MCQ here, another MCQ at the end, another one in the middle. Don't do it. All the MCQ. If you are unable to do it, then keep space. Okay, so I always suggest, please write the MCQ and fill in the blank at the beginning. Okay, all of them you write, keep space in case you are unable to do at that point of time. So that later on, whenever you will remind that, then you will write it there. Okay, so yes, all the MCQ and fill in the blank at one go. Keep 30 minutes fixed for them. Okay, next, don't mess up the different parts. Let's say you are writing part B. One question from part B you are writing in part D. Don't do this. All the questions of part B, write it together. In case you are unable to do at a time, then keep space for that and go ahead. Okay, but all the question of a particular part, write together. Okay, next, attempt extra question. You will get a lot of question. Let's say 5 question, 2 you have to attempt or 3 you have to attempt. Okay, in case you know more, please write extra question. In case any one of your known question comes out to be wrong, then your extra question will give you the marks. Okay, and make sure you are securing 10 minutes for the checking at end. Okay, always remember your confidence is the key that can win the board examination, right? Next, the final and the same thing that I always tell to every single aspirants, board aspirants, that chemistry is a subject that really doesn't need that 100 hours of hard work. You need to be smart enough to deal with this subject. Okay, so please do not panic, do not overthink, and think about the execution, how you should execute the examination, right? So yes, think positive and remember whatever I have suggested, whatever question you have done. Please don't think whatever you have not done. Okay, don't even think about them, leave them as it is. Okay, so yes, if you follow these tips and tricks, it will be more than enough. So yes, for further help, you can definitely comment me below in this particular video, and I will definitely answer you. And make sure that you are studying everything. Yes, being a teacher, I can't tell you don't study this, don't study that. Okay, so everything is important, my dear, at the end of the day. So study everything, whatever you can recall, write it down. Okay, so yes, that's it. Here comes the strategy, and final strategy, the most important strategy that my father used to say, and my father's father used to say to him as well, that study, my dear. Okay, study your heart out. Okay, it will give you the result. Okay, if you study, you are going to get the good result. That's it. Okay, and don't leave anything. That's it. Okay, so yes, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe, hit the like button and share with your other friends so that they can also get the benefits of this video. Thank you so much for watching.